Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some extreme beauty, half beauty tips and beauty tricks. Right here, that is so satisfying. Wow. That application of foundation is like, wow. That's the type of treatment my skin needs right now. If I'm not mistaken, that is a charcoal face mask, and apparently it does wonders for your skin. It looks so soothing. Ah, like jelly. Oh my god, I can feel those knots in my spirit. Whoa, that looks so nice. Don't we all just need that hairdryer? Tell me you know what's happiness without telling me you know what's happiness. After dyeing your brows, it just looks so good for the next few days. Like, you don't have to do them for the next few days. That's what I like about dyeing my brows. It's just now that with COVID, it made it so difficult for us to even move. Wow. They look like so beautiful. I seriously don't know when last I actually did my nails. I can't wait for everything to go back to normal and me just go and do my nails on a regular occasion and just to go and get my hair done for no reason. Look at how stunning this actually looks. Like, my mom would not let me even leave the house. What are we painting here? Abe! Tell me something is satisfying without telling me something is satisfying. We need to do one of these. We have to on TikTok. Have you guys seen that split end remover where you just straighten your hair and then the split ends just come out? Apparently it's something else. I've seen these things but I haven't tried it. So cute. That's the pink that we all need in our life and can't find. Tell me what's worse than a heartbreak? A broken nail. That looks so gooey. Guys, I seriously can't wait to go and get my nails done. The color is so like juicy. That's so beautiful. I love how the cuticles are like inside. Like some nail techs don't even clean up the cuticles. They're so cute. This is satisfying, real satisfying stuff. Oh, these two are back. They're so cute. That purple is life. Oh. She's got stunning skin, like really beautiful skin. Liquid highlighters are not so much for me. Like, it looks so good on her, but for me it doesn't look that good. I'm obsessed with like that sunset eye. It's just something else for me. Like, I've never had an obsession for a makeup look other than that. It's just something else. This I can never find. I've tried Take A Lot, I've tried everywhere. I've literally not found anything. If you guys find it, please let me know where to get it. Wow, they all have those little cute cloths. I still have the plain ones. They're so boring as compared to these. Look at her curl, it's so cute. That's a clay face mask. Apparently it exfoliates on another level, like on a whole new different level. So anyway guys, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.